Okay, so you're ready to launch a new venture product or service, but how do you make it truly stand out? You're really excited about your big idea, but a little lost on how to make it visually pop. You know your brand needs to look amazing, but where do you even begin? Well, it all starts with a powerful visual identity. Imagine having a clear, captivating visual identity that speaks volumes about who you are and what you do. This course is your ultimate guide to transforming your vision into a vibrant reality. We'll show you how to articulate your unique brand story and translate it into a stunning visual language. Then, ever wondered how to choose the perfect creative agency? We'll demystify the process, from selecting the right partners to effectively collaborating with them to bring your design concepts to life. You'll learn how to evaluate those exciting designs and ensure they resonate with your audience. And finally, we'll equip you with a step-by-step plan to confidently roll out your brand across all your touch points, from your website to your social media. You'll be ready to make a memorable impact. And here are 4 top reasons you should sign up. You'll access everything you need to create a knockout logo and visual identity. You'll be primed to select and get the most out of a creative partner. You'll understand how to test your identity elements to achieve maximum impact. And you'll create a success plan for your new brand. This course is for people who want to harness the full potential of their brands to drive business value. Whether you're starting on your brand journey or it's time to rethink your current brand, this course will energize you to aim higher. So if you're ready to build a brand that truly shines, enroll in our course today and unlock the power of an unforgettable visual identity. See you in class.